So everything that was left on the exhaust side of the engine, I got it off. We got the water pump, we got the thermostat, we got the two turbos, the downpipes, coolant pipe, I think, inlet. We got it all off. And now we have just the bare engine with the transmission still attached to it. I still have some stuff that I need to take care of, like the starter and high pressure fuel pump. I just wanted to show you guys, this is basically why I'm taking this engine out. I'm assuming when it overheated, it just, you know, just got a little hole in it. I'm pretty sure the crankshaft is messed up. The piston is broken in there, so I've just decided to buy a whole new engine and just start from scratch. So got the starter, got the high pressure fuel pump, both of them got out. This one, if you could tell from the time lapse, oh my god, I was struggling. There was one bolt right here, just like it was close to the engine and hidden by the high pressure fuel pump. So trying to get a tool that fit back there was so annoying. But luckily I had a little extension and a little clip. Put it on, got it out, came out. And now the intake side is clean, nothing else on it pretty much. And here's a more in-depth look at the damage. If you can see that little broken piece, I don't know what it is, it might be a part of the piston, but yeah, let me see if I can get it to focus. The crankshaft, you can see it's messed up. What I'm trying to do is get this transmission to sit on that chair while the engine just hangs on the crane. The biggest problem I have right now is this hook right here. This thing is about to, I don't know, any sudden movement and this thing is gonna drop. Alright, so we got the transmission and the engine separated. This is a weird color. Kind of looks cool. Wonder if that's a sign of anything, but I remember getting a diagnostic at a mechanic a while back. He said my transmission was bad. I'm not really sure how he diagnosed it, but oh well. Gotta get a new transmission, gotta get a new engine. The car is a 2010 535i xDrive. It comes with the 6-speed automatic and the N54 engine. But due to bad maintenance from the previous owner, I ended up driving the car for a month after buying it. And a bad valve cover gasket leak drained a lot of the oil out and the car ended up overheating on the highway. So I decided this is the perfect opportunity for me to bulletproof the maintenance, upgrade a lot of things on this engine, and throw it into the car. My goal with this build is to push at least 500 horsepower. You know, if I get more than that, I'm not going to be upset. On top of all that, I'm going to be doing all of this in my driveway. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any part of this build, and comment down below how you think I should go about building this engine.